welcome. I'm Jarvis. I'm an AI. Activate me to see my reactions. Thank you.
A lot of people are wondering who is this Jarvis girl, the AI robot who has been trending currently on TikTok for some days now. So in this video, I'm going to be telling you everything you need to know about Jarvis, who is also known as Jadrolita, whose real name is Elizabeth, who has been trending on social media currently. And also how Jarvis managed to be successful and trending on social media currently. But before I start telling you everything you need to know about Jarvis, if you are new to this channel, please hit the like button of this video to promote it to more people to learn more about Jarvis. And if you want to get more of this kind of videos from this channel, please subscribe to the channel and support me. And if you're a returning viewer that has already subscribed to the channel, welcome back and thank you for watching. And also don't forget to drop your comment in the comment section to let me know what you think about this Jarvis AI girl who is trending on TikTok and all social media platforms currently. So Jarvis, or Jadrolita's real name, is Elizabeth, and she hails from Nigeria, and she's currently at 300 level in the Ali University, Ekpoma. And this beautiful girl called Jarvis has been trending online for a while now on her constant performance on her TikTok live stream as an AI robot. And Jarvis' AI robot costume usually amazes people that makes them wonder where exactly she gets this costume from. And the costume really fits her as an AI robot, and it makes her look like a real robot in real life. And also Jarvis' AI robot facial expressions and innocent looks usually captivate people to her live stream. Whenever she goes live on TikTok and you see large number of people following her, and even those who are not following her, they come to watch her on her live performance. And guys, Jadrolita's official TikTok page currently have over 600,000 followers. And according to Jadrolita, the full meaning of Jarvis simply means just a rather very intelligent system. And guys, I must confess, Jarvis the AI robot is really trying when it comes to going live and making it for herself on TikTok. And according to recent findings, Jarvis the AI robot has been making millions of naira from her TikTok live stream, as people who love her for what she's doing ends up giving her TikTok gifts. And you see a lot of people who join her on her live stream session giving her rose, lions, and whenever you convert this, it generates millions of naira for her. Jarvis the AI robot is also on Instagram, although her Instagram page is not yet big. And now, talking about where Jarvis is from, a lot of people have been asking where she is from. And to answer this question, Jarvis is from Nigeria, although it is not clear yet which part of Nigeria she is from. But I must confess, Jarvis the AI girl is really good with what she's doing. She's performing very well in her AI costume. And I'm sure that if she continues in this pace, she's going to become very successful as a TikTok influencer. And currently she has been signed into the Nigerian Nollywood film industry, and she's making live performance and wonderful videos in the industry currently. And in my next video, which is dropping soon, I'm going to be talking about how she got into the Nigerian Nollywood industry and how she's performing there. So if you want to be notified when this video drops, kindly subscribe to this channel to receive the notification as soon as I drop this video. And if you're interested to know how she bagged the 200 million naira deal with the AI company in Chinese, click on this video on the screen to learn how she actually bagged it and how she's doing currently. See you in the video.